G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just on site here show you an installed Grander whole house unit. Okay, so as you can see here in the images now, this is a Grander whole house unit and it's been installed inside the large plastic PVC cover that protects the Grander unit, that enables it to last as long as possible. And then we just got to coat it inside with the petroleum jelly each year and we're good to go. Okay, so I'm just going to take the top off the top of the cover. As you can see, it's just a good quality PVC cover, and inside here is the Grander whole house unit. Now it's down underneath the ground, but it's nice and dry inside and it's been perfectly protected. It's been in here for a fair few years, this one. It gets a coat of petroleum jelly put over it every year, and as you can see, it is in pristine condition and it's working well. Taking care of this massive house and a couple of acres that it's on, and there's nothing but positive reviews from the homeowner. Okay, so if you're getting a Grander whole home unit, this is what you want to do. This is how you want to have it when it's set up at the end, whether it's underground like this one, on the wall, on the side of your house. It's nice and secure, nobody can steal it, and it'll be taken care of. Keep the oxygen, the air, a lot of salt in our air nowadays here in Australia, so get a nice cover like this put over it, look after it as good as you can, and it will look after you in return, and the family and everyone. Okay, so good luck, give us a call if you need a hand with anything, but in Grander whole house unit installed. Thank you.